is Red Hat Linux 8 installation. So in that, I will show you how to download the software from that link, that is VirtualBox for Linux installation and Red Hat Linux 8 is installation. So first I will do VM creation and then Red Hat Linux 8 installation. And this is the link. So suppose I'm clicking this link and it will go to that virtualbox.org site, and here the latest version is 6.1. So go to left side, there is a download section. When you will click on that, you will get the 6.16 VirtualBox platform package for Windows host, OS host, Linux distribution, and Solaris. So according to that, you can install. So mostly 90% everybody has Windows laptop. So I will download this. Okay. So when you click on this, it will download the very small puff file, that is 103 MB. And after that, you will run this exe file. Okay. Because I have already VirtualBox, but this is VirtualBox 6, so I'm not going to that to show you, and it is very easy. And next thing, for Red Hat Linux 8, you will go to developers.redhat.com and then RHEL 8, and on this is the link, download Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. But for that you need to create a username in this site, and you can give your email ID and then password, and it will create the account. Okay. So when you click on this, your Red Hat Linux will install. And I'm showing you because I already downloaded 8.2. So this is the software. Okay. So another next thing, after that we will go for VirtualBox machine creation. So here, this is the new keyword. From here you can create it. Go to this new, and here you will type Red Hat Linux 8. Okay. And or because this machine we will use for 19C database, so I'm using machine 1 for 19C backup and recovery. Okay, this machine I will use for backup and recovery, and type is Linux and version is Red Hat 4, so no need to change anything. When you will click on the next, it will ask for RAM. So I will go give you 8 GB RAM approximate. And when I will click next, it will ask for hard disk. So by default, it is create virtual hard disk now. So no need to change that. And when you say create, it will say what will be the hard disk file type. So again, VDI, no need to change. Then it will ask about the storage on physical hard disk, whether it should be dynamic or fixed. So I will go by default dynamic, and then it will show you the file location and size. If you want to change location, you can just click on that and it will open this terminal. So by default it is in VirtualBox and machine name, so I'm not going to change this. And here I will give you 20 GB, and when I say create, within a second it will create the machine because that is dynamic. Okay, so see that left panel, machine is created. Any confusion till now? Did you create a virtual machine in the past? Okay, perfect. So before going to start this machine, we need to add the ISO image, okay, and do some changes in the structure of this virtual machine. So how I will do that? Either you can click the right click or you can go here. So both the way you can go. Okay. So right click setting. So it will open the box. In that all option is there. So in general, it is showing name, type, and that. I'm not going to that. In system, that is important. Floppy is not required this time because nobody is using floppy. So optical and hard disk. And processor, I can change because I have this processor. And motherboard and processor. And then display, I can give 200. And in storage, that is the main part where I will add the ISO image. So in storage, just highlight this and then go to optical drive. Just click that and choose option. And here uh, in software, this is my software ISO image. Click it. When you click it, it will show the here. Okay. And then audio, in disable audio, network, no need to change, USB, this no need to change. Okay. Then now start the machine. Did you install Red Hat Linux 8? And here it will do disk checking. So just escape it. So after escaping, it will not do. Okay. If you want, you can do it. Disk checking. So first dialog box will be open. What language would you like to use during the installation process? So that is English by default, United States. So I'm not going to change. So just go for continue. So you will get this box of options. So here the first option is go to tab button, do the tab. So keyboard, hit the enter, then choose it, done. Then go for installation source, enter. So no need to change here, done. Then go to system, enter. And here you need to change this disk, okay? Then done. Now it will do some internal things. Now that is perfect. Then language support. So by default it is English, no need to change. Then software selection. So by default it is server with GUI. So I am not going to change this. And then okay. And then connect to Red Hat, no need to do that. Then time and date. So that is Asia. And Kolkata, because in Asia only this option. Okay, then done. And KDUM, no need to do anything. Then network, enter. Then here enable the network Ethernet card. So by default it will go to automatic IP address taken. And after that, here you can give the domain name. Okay, if you want. So domain name or host name you can give here. So I can give prod1 dot oracle ride.com. Okay, apply. When you apply, this will show current host name is this. Okay, then done. So now good to go. So now I will go for begin installation, and now it will start the installation. So first it will create the partition and all, and then after that it will go to the package. So almost 1438 package will install, that will come with server with the GUI options. So it will take around 10 minutes to 15 minutes. So meanwhile, when it will go to package installation, then I will set the root password, and I will create the username because that is recommended, and that user I will use as a administrator user. So that two things I will do. So first just start this installation. So I will wait for a few minutes. Any questions till now? Red Hat Linux 8, have you done the installation? Yeah, so see that 1348 package is installing. So just click on the root password. Enter. So it will ask root password. Okay. Then user creation. And then make as a user administrator. Then password. Then done. Okay. So it will take 10 minutes. So when I say reboot, it will restart the machine and it will ask for license version. So see, this license is come, enter, and then go for down. So here, check this license or agreement, then done, and then go for finish configuration. Now it will open the terminal and it will ask the password. So that is the username. Okay. So it is recommended, don't do anything from root, just go for this normal user which you have created and given the permission. So when you start, when it will come, so it will ask about these things. So I will go with next, then it will ask typing next, then for privacy you can off, take off this privacy and then go for next, then skip this button, and then you are ready to go. Okay, so just close this window and show application. Okay, and press T, so it will open the terminal. So hit the enter. So this is the machine. So if I say host name, this is the command. I hope you know that. So my host name is this, and who am I is the command. It will tell this Ahmed. Now can I check Google is working or not? Means net. So my Google is working because I didn't check anything, right, in the network, but it is working. See that? So just break that and clear the screen. So now I'm taking off this machine. So now it will shut down the machine. Okay. So this was the practical, and thank you. Okay.